Yoga is an ancient physical, mental, and spiritual practice that originated in India. The word yog derives from Sanskrit and means to join or to unite, symbolizing the union of body and consciousness. Today, it is practiced in various forms around the world and continues to grow in popularity. Recognizing its universal appeal, on 11 December 2014, the United Nations proclaimed 21st June as the International Day of Yoga. The draft resolution establishing the International Day of Yoga was proposed by India and endorsed by a record 175 member states. The proposal was first introduced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his address during the opening of the 69th session of the General Assembly. The first International Day of Yoga was observed on June 21, 2015. COVID-19 pandemic has been an unprecedented human tragedy. Beyond its immediate impact on physical health, the pandemic has also aggravated psychological suffering and mental health problems, including depression and anxiety. People around the world embraced yoga to stay healthy and rejuvenated and to fight social isolation and depression during the pandemic. Yoga is also playing a significant role in care and rehabilitation of COVID-19 patients. The essence of yoga is balance, not just balance within the body or that between the mind and the body, but also balance in the human relationship with the world. Yoga emphasizes the values of mindfulness, moderation, discipline, and perseverance. When applied to communities and societies, yoga offers a path for sustainable living. Thus, the theme of the 8th International Yoga Day 2022 is Yoga for Humanity. The theme has been selected after much deliberation and consultation, and it appropriately portrays how yoga served humanity in alleviating sufferings during the peak of the pandemic. The 8th edition of International Day of Yoga will see many new initiatives, including an innovative program called the Guardian Ring that will showcase the movement of the sun, and people from different countries will participate in performing yoga along with the movement of the sun, beginning from east and marching towards west. The main event of the International Day of Yoga 2022 demonstration will be held at Mysore, Karnataka, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. As the nation is also celebrating the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, 75 national level iconic sites will be showcasing the mass yoga demonstration, while respective states will organize similar programs at 75 important locations. Yoga is a tool to achieve good health and spirituality by performing physical and breathing exercises. There are different ways of performing it, like slow, relaxing exercises to vigorous exercises, depending on your choice and need. Today, yoga has become a part of the daily routine of millions of followers in India and abroad. We must take out some time for practicing yoga to achieve health and spirituality. Here's wishing everyone a very happy International Day of Yoga 2022. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much for watching the video. Jai Hind.